Hi, I'm Doug Severson, a retired athletic trainer and the Director of Product Management at WebPT. I'm here to talk about WebPT Outcomes, the tool we developed to help rehab therapy practices drive better patient results and reimbursements. You might be wondering, what are the benefits of tracking patient outcomes? Well, there are quite a few. As healthcare moves toward a value-based care model, WebPT Outcomes enables therapists to assert their unique value as medical professionals, enhance their marketing efforts, better assess their and their clinical teams' performance through benchmarking, and empower themselves to more effectively negotiate payer contracts. Perhaps most importantly, it enables providers to make data-backed clinical decisions and thus improve patient care. With WebPT Outcomes, therapists can easily input and track the results of outcome measurement tests. And because it's built directly into the WebPT EMR, the resulting data reports are stored within the patient record. So you can see outcomes data analysis for information you most likely already record within your documentation. Let's check it out. First, let's add an outcome measure for our patient. Simply choose Add Outcome from the drop-down menu in the patient chart and select your preferred mode. For our contactless option, choose Send to Patient. This allows patients to fill out the OMT at their own convenience prior to their appointment. If a patient isn't able to complete the OMT prior to the appointment, choose the Kiosk Mode to have the patient complete the form on an iPad or other small tablet in the waiting room upon arrival. No tablet? No problem. You can always use good old pen and paper, and front office staff can manually enter the patient's OMT information later on during the appointment. For this option, choose Fill Out Now and simply print the form. You can also print questionnaires at any time by clicking OMT Forms in the Tools panel on the left side of the EMR screen. For now, I'm going to select Send to Patient. Choose your patient's preferred email address, outcome questionnaire, and appointment type. Today, I'll use the Quick Dash questionnaire for our shoulder patient's initial exam. Next, we'll complete our documentation. Because the patient already filled out the questionnaire, the data from the test is conveniently available in the Objectives section of the SOAP note. Once we've completed the rest of the documentation for this evaluation, all that's left to do is finalize our note, and voila! The outcome is now listed on the patient chart. Next, let's see how we stack up to other clinics using the WebPT Outcomes dashboard. Here, you can quickly access and run reports on patient and company outcomes as well as patient perception. There are three overarching report types: patient, company, and national. Once you've selected a report, customize the parameters to filter, sort, and group the data however you want to view it. Such parameters include date range, therapist, location, diagnosis, physician, and payer. When you run a report, the app generates a PDF to display the results. Let's see some of these reports in action. Using patient reports, we can easily track patients with missing discharges, meaning they have yet to complete an OMT to coincide with their discharge note. We can also use the patient dashboard to closely monitor patient progress based on pain scale values and outcome tool scores. Meanwhile, the dissatisfied patient report provides an overview of all the patients who have selected either unsatisfied or very unsatisfied in their OMT follow-up questions, allowing you to quickly identify and resolve lapses in patient care and ultimately prevent patient dropout. Company reports are great for helping you understand trends in your practice as well as draw comparisons between individual locations and therapists. Use the clinical dashboard to get a quick overview of how your clinic is doing. Check patient satisfaction rates, goals met percentages, the total number of OMTs completed, and the top 8 diagnoses referred. Getting ready for employee reviews? I suggest using the individual therapist breakdown and the clinical outcome summary to assess each therapist's performance. This report shows the total number of outcomes tied to each therapist, as well as the percentage of those outcomes that have met the MCID, the average OMT score at completion of care, and much more. You can easily see how your organization stacks up to other practices across the country using clinical benchmarks derived from our national reports. Let's check out our clinic report card. This report shows your clinic's national rank. Your grade is calculated using overall rankings and the percentage of MCIDs met. Use the National Clinical Outcome Summary Report to view average scores for each OMT your clinic uses. You can also see national averages for each based on their scores recorded by other clinics. Additionally, the National Patient Perception Report compares your company's average pain, satisfaction, functional improvement, and goals met results to the national averages for clinics across the country. So are you ready to check out WebPT Outcomes and see how you can use it to enhance patient care and market your practice more effectively? We'd love to show you everything this tool has to offer during a fast, fun, and totally free online demo. Simply click the link to get started.